Okay, now we will do configuration in SAP system. Okay, so I'll go here, come here, SPRO, then you go to financial accounting, and then AR, account receivable, accounts payable, business transactions, then Dunning here, Dunning procedures. Okay, here Dunning procedures. What happened here? It is Dunning procedures, define Dunning procedures here, and then you can define your own here, like, okay. So here we have already one call HP30. Let's see what all we have given there. If you want to change anything, we will change. So here HP30 Dunning procedures. So we have given this, okay. We have given Dunning procedures for this HP30, and interval we have given 40 days, okay. And number of Dunning level 4, okay. And then minimum days, interest indicator, and these things we have given. And after that you have to go to Dunning level, and then which level, how many days you want to do one Dunning level. Okay, so first 1 2 3 Dunning we have done, and area when we can have it. So always done, always print all items. We'll select that, not required. Let's see. Okay, and then you can go charges. If you are having any charges you are asking, it will ask the okay. So done charges, okay, from amount. If you want to, from this amount, Dunning charges will start, okay. And minimum amount you can give it here, okay, like 100 rupees, okay. This is percentage, has to be there, minimum amount. Then we can, minimum amount for interest has to at least this, we can. Then you have to go to the Dunning text. So here it will ask which company code you are doing the text, okay. So this is which level, different forms you can utilize it, okay. So done level 1 2 3 4 you can have it. And these forms will, you can get it already, it should be available in the system, and based on that only you can configure it, okay. So legal notice, if it is 5 you can do it for a legal notice also. There will be different format for that, that you can take help from your this one ABAP team, okay. So these are the configuration. What is that other configuration was there? Okay, so yesterday we were getting some error because of this assignment was not done, okay. So we have to assign the company code to this Dunning procedures, okay. Dunning company code, this procedures has to be there. So where it is, environment company code data, okay. Here HP30, yeah, you can have to give this Dunning company code. Yesterday it was something different, that's why this has come, okay. And so now all looks fine. Let's save it, okay. Save it. We'll save it our the tr. let the tr come. Okay, so what was our company? HP Inc. We did something, no? HP Inc. here, okay? So HP Inc. we can give it here, okay? Now, so all done. There are few concepts also there, dunning areas and dunning keys. We are not using it. If it is same company, you can differentiate it. That time you can have the dunning area. One company code can give that. Okay, it is what is dunning area? What is saying? The dunning area represent an organizational entity that is responsible for dunning. The dunning area represents substructure of the company codes. Okay. If different responsibility, different dunning procedure exists within the company code, you can set up a corresponding dunning area. Okay, so if you have multiple dunning procedures, you can distinguish through this. All dunning notice are made separately according to dunning areas and if necessary, different dunning procedures. Okay, so that's why we are not doing it here now. Okay, what is dunning key? You can see it here. Define your dunning key in this step. With the dunning keys, you can limit the dunning level of an item and define either instead of in the addition of the dunning key where it is item, the dunning key are to be displayed separately in the dunning letter. Okay, so what it's saying, you can limit the dunning level of an item. Okay, one item you want to have it. Okay, this key is there, then it will be defining only to how many dunning limits you can do it. Here how, see here one key you can say okay, wherever is this key is one, then maximum level is one only. That's what it is says. If it is like you can have some key and you say okay, it is in a level 4, you can have maximum. So that also you can define it based on the dunning key. Understood? Like one document, if you have a 4 level, but you say okay, this we don't need the 4 level, we want to stop it at level 2 only, so maximum 2 time it will be done and then it will stop it. Yeah, that's a dunning key. Okay, so now let's see, to do the dunning we need to have some customer open item which has due date has met, right? So let's create some customer. Okay, so creating customer is what the process. You can go to BP, through BP only we create, right? We have to create some BP. So we have created till HP4 5 we can create. And what is this one? If I say it is from Whitefield. Okay, this is the field Bangalore IN. When you practice, you just follow the same steps, you will be able to do it. Okay, language English, then anything else is required, we can give our group. No, what is our group? HP HP, what is that? Local group, no, something is there. HP local BP HP HP 30. Okay, so after giving this, you will do this. and this is error free. You can save it. So we'll get some 415. Okay, this BP we got. Now we have to create some customers. So customer creation, what we have to do, we have to go to change mode again and change the role here. Okay, so customer, what is the role? FLCU01, that is we have already discussed, right? FLC01, or what is that customer role? Correct only, right? Customer new. Okay, not 5 customers. 00, no? 00. Okay, so this we will do. We will then company code, you have to click, change your company code, delete this one, whatever it is, and then you give your own company code. See, this we did in our AR class, right? Same thing, you just save it. Where is it? Why it is doing like this? Okay, why it is changing or not? Okay, it has changed now. Customer already created 91. Why? This is required. Okay, now here, now we have to give the dunning procedures. We'll give. Okay, payment terms 00, this one, dunning procedures 30. Okay, and we can check. Okay, error free, we can save it. So 91 we have one. Okay, and we had something in 90 also. BP. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, we have created one dunning 91, customer 91. Now what we do, we do some booking, right? Some due date met, some we will do booking. Okay, so we had a 91, right? 91 here, and then let's give something 10,000, 15,000. Okay, something. I will give some sales. This is what revenue account star. See here date. No, we will give somewhere some past. Okay, so let's give 01. We'll give April, so it will miss. Okay, 01. Okay, we'll give 10 April. Let's give. No, text you give something, sales, cost center you give CCA, and then anything is there? Nothing. Okay, that's okay. 91 is not defined in the company code. Oh, we have not changed the company code here now, so we have to change the company code now first. Where is it? Document. Where do we change company code? Here now. 30. Oh, again we have to give. Okay, amount 5,000. Don't give much. Sales, this one, star, I will give something here. Where is it? Sales. Center CCA. Okay. Enter. That's okay. Saying posting period, huh? No amount authorization again. OV57. This is always somebody will do this. And then we have to do here. Give some text here. CCA. Okay. Now let's see if there is anything error here. Adjust. Okay, do it, no problem. Now we will do post. Let's see if it's posting or not. Okay. Revenue, so we have done, no, given it, no. That's fine, no. Take. We have given this. What is this? Account. Enter the true account assignment object with the revenue. That's okay, no. So this document has posted. See here. What is that? FB03. See here, this document has posted. This document has posted. Okay. For which customer? Customer number this. This is the customer number. Okay. So now if you want to go, what is the transaction code? FBL5N. You can note down. Okay. To see the display the your customer balance, customer open item. Okay. Customer reports, customer invoice reports. So as of now, see, this is overdue already. Okay. So we need to send one dunning to this customer. So how do you do? There is a transaction code called FBF150. Okay. You give some run date today. Today is 29th. Huh? 29th. Give some dunning 29th. Okay. Then you have to give the parameters. Dunning date. Suppose take the 29. Done posted up to this. Whatever was available for this, it will give. And company code is HP30. And customer is this one, right? 91 we had done, no? 91. Then free selection is okay, not required. Here we want to give some one have some log and all, we can have it here. Okay, now then you can just save it and then status, then you schedule it here. Let's see if it is selecting anything or not. Okay, one schedule, notice generated, one to be sent. Okay, see here saying one notice generated for which one to be sent. Okay, so that you can see it here, the list which all document got selected, you can see it here. How do you remove this one? Okay, so dunning list, you can go and check that how many document got selected. Okay, so this is the document you got selected and this is the amount, so it will tell here system, and then you can do dunning run here. Okay, so there are, like, some connection will be there, which from where the dunning letter goes to, based on the email address we maintain with the customers, they will receive it. Okay, so here we are just doing it sample run, so we will do it local device, and then here it is saying dunning dunning notice printed, how many, one, done run completed, like that you get this. Okay, but now we see where is the letter. Okay, here, so to see letter here in our system only, there will be spool. It's called spool. Okay, so you can go sp0 sp02. Okay, here, so sp02, all the spools whichever is generated today, it will show you. So today we just now we have created this one, right? So here you see there is one letter has come here. See, nicely it has come. So this font and all, you can adjust it. So what it say, they say company, our company is sp30, no, this is Whitefield, we have given this, right? This is address for that customer, right? This customer number, this is there, and which date it is, 29/5, and customer number is this, right? This is only which we have created, and it is saying this setting takes into consideration posting up to included this. Okay, so first dunning letter, it will say, dear sir, madam, this invoice listed below are due for payment. Okay, so this is the, if you have paid the amount demanded, please ignore later. Then it will mention that how many document numbers, this number you have created, right? And then if there is any kind of charges is there, that also it will be included here. Okay, so this will how this dunning letter will look in it. Understood, Sakti?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, very simple, no? Huh?
Today only I am understanding, sir.
Huh? Very hard.
No, no, today only I can understand something.
Today you could understand. It is simple only, on. Okay, but if you practice it, you will get to know more. Huh?
Yes.
So I'll just take this sample. I'll put it here. Huh? So what we are doing, we are sending customer a notice with all this due, whatever notice are there, we are sending to him. Hmm? Nicely later. This letter forms and all also you can adjust it. There below also some address and all you can put it. Okay, and we had that run, no, F150, that also will take it here. That is very nicely it has given us. So where is that F150 here? So this we took first parameters, this we will take it here. Okay, F150. So Lakshmi and all, they have already seen this in ECC. So there also we have nicely generated some of the letter. Okay. I'll say dunning run, dunning run F150. Capital I'll give F150. Okay, remove this. So once you do this, then we have this screen. This screen we will take it. So overall, you will be able to understand it, how it has done. Okay, so after that you have this output dunning letter. What happened here? This is what it is, dunning letter. Okay, okay. So what happened after you do run this, this after this run happens, the document which we have posted, right, that will show you that there is a one dunning happened for this. So if you go inside the details somewhere, it will update. Okay, see here, see, last done happened. So this was not there earlier. Once we did, it selected that system, this is has been done. So one notice, it has been sent to the customer. So that is the update. So next time when we run, that time it will do that's dunning letter 2. Okay, so next time whether it will allow, no, after 14 days it is allows, no. So that now it will not select as of now. Okay, so that's how this dunning is happening here. Okay, you, when you try, you also follow the same steps and try to run it, and you see it whether letter is generating or not. Okay, one more point, if this customer had 5 or 6 this one invoices, that also will be included it here only. Okay, so that's how it is, it runs, and this is what all the process about turning. Okay, I hope you guys able to understand this one, the process. Once you practice it, then you will get to know. So you have to understand this, practice it, because there will be a lot of questions coming in for this also. Okay, in interview, they ask a lot of question in this topic as well, along with F110. This is also very important, this one. Okay, okay, that's it.